because they were able to like make it their own, if that makes sense. Whereas in our previous platform, they were going through and they had to do it exactly the way that it was outlined in order to go to the next step. But with the one class, I was using it, and with CodeTribe, they had them, okay, what background color do you want your web page to be? And they could choose any color that they wanted. And I saw everybody get excited about it, but somewhat a subgroup that got excited about it that doesn't usually get excited were my girls. And so they were able to actually really get into it, and get into it more so than they were the other things that we were doing prior to it. So that's whenever I added it to all my classes and gave them a chance to play around with it. And it's really, the steps are really easy to follow so that they're understanding it. Yes, all my classes, definitely. They liked making it cute. That was what they were most excited about. But it also, I think that breaking it down step by step helped all the students, and in particular some of my girls that were struggling with the whole concept of it, to be able to see the real-time connection with it. Every once in a while they would get like some kind of encouraging like message, and they really like that too. That was something else that you don't really think about, especially high school kids, needing that extra little "you're doing great" or whatever it was that would pop up at that time. But they really responded to it and enjoyed that.